Welcome back. It's art time, class. Today, we're going to be coloring in our color wheel. Let's get started. To begin this project, you're going to need to open up your sketchbook and find the color page. Here it is. We're going to be using color pencils, and you're going to need a red, a yellow, and a blue. When you get your blue, make sure you're not getting sky blue. You want to get this type of blue. When you're coloring in, you're going to color in. I like to start with the primary colors, red, yellow, and blue, and color in really dark. Notice where the line meets, where it says red or rojo. Color in nice and dark. And then there's blue. Azul. Okay, now the ones like right in the middle here, we're going to do an even split. So we're going to color in blue and color in yellow with the same amount of pressure. And that's going to give us our secondary color. That's the green. Let's do the next one. So this one's yellow and red. And again, we're trying to apply the same amount of pressure, so like an even mix of the colors. And you can go back and apply more of them to create those layers so they mix nicely. Last one is the red and blue to make our violet or purple, whichever you want to call it. There we go. And that is how we get our secondary colors from the primary colors. If you want to fill in these down here, you definitely can, like I did on this one. Now, our tertiary colors are these leftover. This is where you're going to color in like hard for yellow and then really light for red. Versus over here, you're going to color over red hard, but light for yellow. And that gives us that transition. All right, let's do the next one. So this is red with a little bit of blue. And then, oh, that was a little too much blue. Add in some more red, kind of even it out. And then over here is blue with a little bit of red. Let's do a little red and more blue. Yeah, that's definitely, I'm seeing that transition now. And then last we've got, see, lots of blue in this one and a little bit of yellow. And then in this one, a little bit of blue and a lot of yellow. And that is how you color in your color wheel. Well, I can't wait to see how yours is going to turn out. Till next time, keep being creative.